likelihood of retaining and remembering the skill at a later time. So if you're not doing the reps, you're not going to remember. So this is a fact. It's not just something Ms. Scott made up. It's actually true. So I kind of simplified it in this form, but without going into the detail of brain synaptic activity, let's just say do the reps and remember. Okay, guys, I don't know, not everybody's in, but let's go ahead. You guys are taking a while, but we need to move forward. So let's go to screen 2. Okay, when X is on the bottom, what you're going to need to remember, because this is going to change depending on the problem. Today, it's when the X is in the denominator or on the bottom. So as you can see to the left, you fill out your trig ratio. You pick your function and fill it out. But you need to rewrite it in order to put it in the calculator. So to the right here, you see that X and tan 48 degrees, they swap positions when X is on bottom. So you have X equals 17 over tan 28. The degrees is there just to show you that it is degrees. But in the calculator, you're not going to have to worry about putting a degree in there or anything like that. You're just going to put tan 28. All right, let's go ahead and go to screen 3 and let's get going on this. So we're going to do it together, and then of course I gradually pull away. So we need to do what we normally do. We got to label the sides, right? So let's go ahead and label those sides. We've got H here. But H, there's nothing there. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to actually cross it out because we know we're not going to use that one. And then, of course, our adjacent is there next to that angle 48 degrees. That's your angle of reference, A for angle, A for adjacent side. And then O. So everything we've been doing is the same in trig. In trig, you do all this. You mark the sides, you label the sides all the time. Okay, this time we have the angle measure though. From here on out, the angle measure is going to be marked, so you don't have to mark it yourself. Okay, so we have O and A, TOA. So let's go ahead and circle that. We're going to use this one. So TOA is tangent. So put tan for tangent. The angle, see I put the degree there, so the angle degree is 48. So we're going to put 48 there. So what this is you've got a little formula set up to remember where things go. So tan 48, 45, or 48, sorry, I put the wrong one. 48 degrees. And then O is first, O is on top, so that's 17. And then X is A, and A is on bottom, so X is on bottom. So again, we're doing the problems when X is on the bottom in the denominator, okay? So we swap. I'm going to show you. We're going to swap this with X. We're going to swap them. Okay, and we're going to, once we set that up, we're not going to do the calculator yet. We're just going to practice doing this. So let's rewrite it and swap X. I already put X over there this time. Later, you're going to have to do it. So 17 still goes on top. That doesn't move. So let's put 17 here. And then we swapped X. X goes to the left here, and tan 48 will go on bottom, where X used to be. Okay, I wrote that out, so it doesn't totally fit the way I want it to, but there we go. Okay, so now that's what will go in the calculator. You're going to put 17 divided by tan 48.